In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix or stop new tabs opening in Chrome. If Chrome keeps opening extra tabs on its own, one of the most common causes is an extension that's interfering with your browser. So the first thing to do is open Google Chrome and look to the top right corner. Click the three-dot menu to open the main Chrome options. From there, go to Extensions and then click Manage Extensions. This will take you to the page where all of your installed extensions are listed. Here, take a careful look through the extensions you currently have enabled. If you see anything you no longer need, anything you don't recognize, or anything that may be affecting how tabs behave, you can either toggle it off to disable it temporarily or remove it completely. Disabling extensions one by one can be especially helpful if you're not sure which one is causing the issue. After turning off the ones you don't need, give Chrome a moment, then continue to the next part. Now go back to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu again. This time, click Settings. Once you're in Settings, find and click Startup. This section controls what Chrome does when it launches, and in some cases, startup behavior can lead to unwanted tabs opening automatically. Review the options here and make sure nothing is set in a way that opens pages you don't want. After checking that, try using Chrome again and see if the problem has stopped. Open a new window, browse normally, and watch whether random tabs continue to appear. If you're still having the problem, there's one more thing to try. Go to the search bar, type ChromeNet, then click the result that takes you to Chrome's internal page. Once you're there, click DNS and then click Clear Host Cache. This clears stored DNS information inside Chrome, which can sometimes help resolve unusual browser behavior. After clearing the host cache, try Chrome again. In many cases, this helps refresh the browser's internal network data and can stop persistent issues from continuing. If the extra tabs are no longer opening, then the issue was likely caused either by an extension, a startup setting, or cached browser network data. The key is to test Chrome after each change so you can identify what actually fixed it. That's how to fix or stop new tabs opening in Chrome.